Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. I am in Samcheongdong again, and I'm gonna have lunch with my friend. This restaurant is famous for grilled short rib patties, so we ordered one, and also noodle with kimchi. It's really good. And then we are walking around the Samcheongdong area, and this is Almost Home Cafe, right next to the art center. I never been here. It's a really nice place. You can see Korean traditional style. Traditional tea set. And traditional pot and frying pan. I feel like I'm going back to the old time. So relaxing. We got something to drink. I got cafe latte with a mint in it. It's really good. So we will keep walking around, and this is very cute bag. I found the homepage. This bag kind of reminded me of Hermes bag, but I love the price and the quality looks so good. It's just $100. We found a croissant place. Even though I had croissant in the morning, I couldn't resist to get one. They had all kind of croissant. So if you have chance to come here, stop by and get one. There are like cupcake style as well, and sandwiches. We got this one. This one doesn't seem to have much butter, but I really liked it. It's a little bit salty, but it's good. This place were selling handmade ceramic and pottery. These are so cute, right? So this area, you can see this kind of old traditional house a lot because it's like a kind of old village. These are not rare, but it's cute. There are many fashion Korean designer shop. So this one was very famous on Instagram. So yeah, I followed my friend. She wanted to buy something. You can see the vibrant color palette. These are not just palette, actually it's all small leather goods, so you can see all different kinds of style, like small wallet, long wallet, card holder, everything. They have many kinds of design for the bag. It's not made of genuine leather, but style-wise, I would say you can try. See this like a lemon color, red color, so many vibrant color. This was a hit among Korean influencers in Korea. There are gold-plated jewelry as well, and the leather goods, like leather bracelet. Love these small leather goods. There was scarf section as well. So after my friend's shopping, we went to Shinsegae department store in Myeongdong. You know, Myeongdong is next to Gwanghwamun, and this department store is huge. They have Chanel, Hermes. I wanted to look inside the store, but I was late. It was like afternoon, and I couldn't get in because I couldn't be on wait list. You know, you need to be on wait list for 5-6 hours to get in. So yeah, I just gave up. I didn't have time for this. But I could see some this season's like bags from outside. These are cute. Love this new season vanity bag. So this is one of the day I tried from 12 p.m. for like 6 hours, but I couldn't get in. So if you want to get in, you need to spend full day just for waiting. So as you know, there's a price increase from July 1st this year. Both rectangular and square mini goes up $400 more, and all the classic bag go up to 15%. All reissue bag also go up 14-15%, or 19 bag goes up to 11-12%, and the boy bag 10-11%. There was Roger Vivier. I love the bag and the shoes. Love the jewel decoration. Chanel ready to wear for the season. Love it. Saddle bag and tote bag. Steady seller. So many peekaboo bag from Fendi. I love peekaboo bag. It's very classic. So on the top, there is duty-free shop in Shinsegae department. So I visited Chanel and Hermes. There were no wait list, no frustration. So I was happy to visit duty-free shop. So there was a Chanel Factory 5 pop-up store in Korea, but I couldn't get in because it was ended by COVID situation. And the products selling online were all sold out quickly, so I had to get it from US homepage. So I ordered from US homepage and delivered to my home in LA. So actually I tried to get in to pop-up store. I took subway all the way to this pop-up store, and then they are saying this is last day because COVID-19 situation. Also, I didn't make reservation by mistake, so I couldn't get in. So they said no. And the pop-up was ended. This is another day I visited Hermes store in Dosan. There's a Dosan Park in Gangnam. They're called as Maison Hermes. This whole building is Hermes, and 3 stories for the shop. And at the basement, there's a cafe, so you can have lunch or tea. So I gonna go downstairs to check the cafe, and I gonna meet my friend here. You can order lunch, tea, and there's like afternoon tea set. So we're gonna order afternoon tea set, but while I'm waiting, I'm checking out. This building is huge. So we ordered tea set. See this tableware and cutlery? I love it. I don't own any tableware yet, but when I start to use this, I feel like I need to have one. It's so classic. So this is the afternoon tea set. Coffee is included, and there's a scone, sandwich, macaroon, cake, and chocolate. So many things. I loved it. So there's a Apgujeong, Gangnam area. There is a cafe called 79 Phone Yard. Their color concept is mint, as you can see. I loved it. It's so cute. There are croffle, which is waffle plus croissant. It's so yummy. I tried one, and it's so good. Basically, you cook the croissant material inside the waffle machine, then it's gonna be like this. In Apgujeong, there's a pink cafe called Mamma Mia. So I just look around, but I didn't go inside. Yeah, it's in Apgujeong, Rodeo. And you can see like this, it's so pretty. At last, I went to Chanel flagship store in Cheongdam. At last, I could get in. I was on waitlist from like 4 p.m. and it was like easy to get in. I don't know why. So I got something. So wait for my unboxing. Now, time for unboxing. I got something small, but I was lucky to get in, so I was just happy. Yes, this is just earring. I love this simple style. I couldn't find from LA because they have always like not many options for the earring, so I was so happy to get. So let me try it on. I like this one because I can match with any kind of casual style, dress up and down. Love it. See you soon. Bye bye.